Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SOS only issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to make calls or you are unable to use internet service on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and turn on flight mode for 30 seconds. So guys, simply turn it on, and after this turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time, and after this insert the SIM card again on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, open settings on your device and then go to cellular, and from here turn on the toggle for cellular from here, and after this go back and then go to general and then go to about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you, then upgrade them. And after this go back and go to the date and time from here and set the date and time from here as well. And after this go back and go to language and region, and from here tap on region and select the country or region correctly. Again go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your service provider for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.